How to make business cards in Canva and sell them. So in this video today, I'll be showing you how you can actually make a business card on Canva and then sell them on a platform. So I'll show you that in this video step by step on how you can go ahead and do that. Now, firstly, you're going to want to make sure that you actually have a Canva account. Now, it's very important that you have one. You can actually use the free version of Canva, or you can use the pro version if you want more elements and more, stock images and much more. So honestly, I'm just going to show you guys here the compare pricing. I'll show you how much this is. So free Canva, you can actually get 250,000 free templates, and keep in mind these templates do come in handy as it does reduce your work time. So you can see here we have 1 million free photos and graphics, different AI powered design tools, but with Canva Pro you can actually get more of that. We get unlimited access to premium templates, 100 million premium stock photos, which is absolutely amazing. Overall, you can check this out, more cloud storage and much more. You can actually start a free trial with Canva Pro and then go ahead and cancel so you don't get charged the $12.99. That's usually what I do when I go ahead and create an account here with Canva. So go ahead and check this out, guys. You can go ahead and use the link down in the description and get started. But anyways, once you actually have your account with Canva, it should look something like this as soon as you do sign on, right? So basically, in the search bar, you're going to want to make sure that you actually search up business cards. Now you can click the little search bar here, search up business card. Now in the templates, you can see here that we do have business card templates here. We actually have the rounded corner and portrait. We have the business card portrait. We can actually click search for business card here. So basically, we can actually go ahead and see all of the templates here. These templates you can actually go ahead and use to actually create a business card for whatever business you're doing work for. You can just change it up a little bit, whatever it may be, right? So I'm going to head back here. We're going to go ahead and click on create a blank business card here. Once we do that, I'm just going to go ahead and create one from scratch. So all you have to do is just pick up a few elements here. So I'm going to go ahead and use the circle element. And I'm going to go ahead and enlarge the circle element here for an example. After that, I'm going to go ahead and just maybe mess with the coloring a little bit, the style of this color here. So I'm going to go ahead and change it to maybe like a lighter white or kind of like a little bit darker. It really does depend on what you want it to be, right? You can set it to a gradient. I'm just going to set it to something like that. So once I've done that, I'm going to add another element, which is going to be another circle here. And I'm going to make sure that this circle is kind of like a white. So I'm going to go ahead and enlarge the circle. This is what's going to be the face of our company. And it's totally up to you. I'm just going to show you guys an example of what you can do. So this is going to be the face of our company here. And basically, we're going to go ahead. I'm just going to use a stock photo. You could use a PNG of the actual business owner here. So I'm going to go ahead and put this. You could see that is the business owner. And let's say that they have a landscaping business, for an example. I'm just going to go ahead and actually add a landscaping, kind of like a PNG here, stock photo, just representing their business and what it's about. Now, basically, you can actually enlarge this. I did do kind of bad here with enlarging that, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Boom, there you go. Should be the face of the business and what it's about. Now, here on the side right here, you can actually, I'm going to add another circle here. So basically, I'm just going to enlarge the circle once again, and then you're going to want to make sure that it is actually layered. So basically, I'm just going to go ahead and actually, boom, just like that. You should get the 3 dots right here. Go ahead and click it. Click layer, and then go ahead and click show layers. Now make sure this is actually layered underneath the circle here like I'm doing, and basically it should be just like this. Let me just go ahead and actually do something like this. Boom, and just make sure it's a little flush. I'm just, for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it just like that. I'm gonna add this kind of like a yellowish, you can see here, and I'm just gonna kind of like make it flush just like that. So basically that's how you go ahead and create it. Now, you're going to want to add phone number, name, and business name. So basically, I'm going to go ahead and add inclusive painting, or I'm going to add landscaping here. Boom, just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and actually minimize the text here. So this is going to be the business name. Make sure that you actually have a border here separating these two if you want. That's totally up to you. Like I said, you can take a look at the templates here and see what you can do and how you can actually tweak it up a little bit here. So I'm going to go ahead and add a vertical line here. So I'm just going to go ahead and move this just like this, just like that, and then move this one. Boom. And then just kind of just like move it to the side a little bit. It's totally up to you. So I'm just going to go ahead and move this a little bit to the side right here, just so it separates from the actual face of the business here. And once you go ahead and do that, you're now just going to want to go ahead and add the name of the business. This is going to be Inclusive Landscaping, and I'm going to go ahead and add what else? The name of the business. So for an example, I'm just going to put John Hills as just a generic name that we can use for the business. So we'll just go ahead and minimize this, John Hills right here. Make this a little small. Boom, like that. John Hills at the bottom. Make sure that the business name is underlined. You can do that by selecting the whole entire text, making sure it's blue, and then clicking the underline button at the top right here. There you go. It is now properly underlined, John Hills, and then we can actually add social media or phone number. So I'm going to add this phone right here for an example that we can actually call. So basically, I'm just going to go ahead and move this right here, just like that, guys, and just make sure that it is nice and evenly, evenly organized here. So I'm going to go ahead and add the phone number now, and you could actually just use a different font or whatever it may be. I'm just going to use the same font for an example. I'm going to do plus 555555, just randomized number here. So I'm going to move this to the bottom just like that, and then you can add like social media too. So I'm just going to add this, boom, and then we'll just move the name to the top. You can underline the name as well. That's totally up to you. So 555, and then we can actually add different elements. So we could search up Instagram, and basically we can take this Instagram right here, and just pretty much we can do kind of like social media, right? So I'm just gonna make up a random name for this. So I'm just gonna put let's see. I'm gonna have to make this text a little bit smaller here, but we'll put landscaping, inclusive landscaping, and then we're just kind of like move it like that, kind of like make it a little bit more horizontal. You're probably gonna have to make the text a little bit more smaller, so I'm gonna set it to like a size 8, and then once I do that, you can set it like that. You can see perfectly, and then once I do that, I can actually add a different social media. You can put like maybe Twitter, you could put Instagram, you could put Facebook, whatever, wherever they can reach you, right? And basically that's pretty much how you go ahead and do that. Now basically once you go ahead and have your business cards set and ready, all you have to do now in order to actually sell them is you can head over to like a place like Fiverr, and usually people just they create gigs like this where you can actually sell services like this. You can see here that people are charging 20 bucks. This is just starting price, I do believe. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. You can see 1 concept, 2 concepts, and 4 concepts, $90. So if you can actually make 4 concepts of this, you can actually get $90. Like I said, there's totally different, ways or pricing you can actually put your business cards. I believe they can go up to like maybe $1,000. It really depends on how good you can actually create the business cards. But you can see that these range from like $50 starting price, $10 starting price. I'm just going to go ahead and go to the top here again. Let's see. Let me go ahead and click on this one right here. I would do professional business card. You could see that, it looks pretty ideal, right? It's kind of like what I created. You could just, put the logo or whatever you have, and then just put the name and just put email, whatever it may be. So it's very simple, guys. It's very easy to do. That's how you go ahead and create business cards. And that's how you sell them. You can actually create an account with Fiverr, and you can actually sell or freelance work with business cards. So basically that's how you go ahead and make business cards on Canva and sell them. So if you found this video helpful, and if you found this side hustle very helpful, make sure to leave a like in this video and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to comment down below any suggestions you guys do have down in the comments down below. I'll be sure to check those out. That being said, have a nice day everybody, and I'll see you guys until next time.